Welcome to the Pinnacles. We have gone to the Nambung National Park, which is about an hour and a half to 2 hours outside of Perth, and we've come here to show you one of the closest attractions that you can come and see. And you look like, what does it look like? An alien desert?
It's like the moon, something like that. Yeah, it's strange.
You've got all of these natural
pinnacles
limestone
coming out of the ground.
Yeah, these rocks, and it's just the most unusual thing to see, and it's a fabulous attraction. Pay $15 per car, entry fee for the whole day, and you can drive around, walk around, check it out.
It's kangaroos and emus.
Oh, kangaroos, emus, you got to watch out for. There's also a kiosk where you can get some merchandise if you like. We'll make sure that we film some of that as well, and a little gallery which you can find out a bit more information about what makes this place so special. It's been here for thousands of years, and we just would like to share it a little bit with you as we start our journey around Western Australia and seeing the things that we can do locally, especially at the moment as we're not allowed to travel overseas. So we hope you enjoy. Okay, it's like it's about 6 o'clock in the morning right now. We've come back to the Pinnacles to film the sunrise over the rocks, because we think that's we're hoping we're going to get some good viewing. It is a bit cloudy today, but I guess it's what happens when you're here at the end of winter. We saw heaps of kangaroos on the way in. Oh my god, you'll see it. Film what? What? Yeah. Film him. Okay. I don't know what he's trying to say, but there's a ranger coming through. You can see it. No, I don't think it's a ranger. I just think it's somebody. Anyway. So back to what I was saying earlier. There were heaps of kangaroos on the way in, which was pretty cool. Oh, there's another car. That one looks like a ranger. Checking this out. If you come here when it's dusk or dawn, you really need to be careful with driving. Kangaroos just start to follow your car, and you need to be able to not hit them, right? Because they can do a lot of damage to your car. Anyway, we saw heaps. We saw them in the park especially, and they were so tame. They were just standing there watching us. Can we see Mike over there? He's setting up. We'll go and take a closer look at him now. What are you doing, Mike?
Getting ready for a time lapse. MacGyver style.
Oh, cool.
An endless power. Where am I going? What do you think of this? Have a look at that with your camera.
Oh, cool.
In the rest of the distance.
So this park here is huge. What I don't understand is why there's probably only like 2 people or 2 cars here or 3 cars here at the moment, and they all have to park exactly where you are. Seriously, people, space. We don't need to hear your yelling. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, the sun's not coming out in a hurry today. It is quite cloudy. I think we're gonna take a break and come back a little bit later and see if we can get some different viewings. We have one more night here, so we can always try and come back tomorrow morning again. We've got 2 different weather reports. One says that it's going to be cloudy and maybe raining, and the other one says that it's going to be partly cloudy and with a bit of sunshine poking through. So we shall find out. Wait and see what happens, and maybe we can get some good like sunrise shots again tomorrow. Also, we just missed 2 kangaroos bounding along. It was really cute, but they, they're so quick. If you're not sitting there with your camera open, instantly you miss it. Nah, that's okay. It was still good to like see and experience and enjoy. And literally we see kangaroos nearly every single day living in Western Australia, but you just never get used to it. Every time it feels like quite an experience. So yeah, the little things that you got to enjoy and appreciate. Someone got a new toy. I don't know if you follow him on his stories, and he bought this car. No, he's not chasing the cats with it, but it is for the GoPro. Mike is driving us through the Nambang National Park, or more specifically the Pinnacles component of it. What do you think, Mike?
It's very nice.
Very nice. Did you like the kangaroos?
Okay, take 2 of trying to capture Pinnacle. Hey, serial killers. So eager to find this tape.
What will I do with the tape?
Wolf Creek.
Finally, the sun is out.
Yeah, it took 2 days.
Patience and persistence, and cold and beanies.
But look at that, the colour is so much better.
Isn't it? And it's so yellow, the sand. I cannot get over how yellow the sand is. It's just, yeah, I mean the sand like we have at home in Western Australia is very white, whereas this is just a whole different scenario again.
Yeah, it's very moon shaped.
Yeah, right. Beautiful. I'm so excited. information centre near the kiosk which tells you all about the Pinnacles. Worthwhile coming and have a visit.
They're all dead.
Yeah. That's so cool. So it's literally a 5-minute walk around, and then you can go straight into the kiosk, get some good souvenirs. We got a boomerang, and you can get a coffee or an ice cream if it's really hot. Worthwhile going to visit, don't miss out. So there's a lovely seated area here outside of the kiosk. You can have your ice cream and a cool drink and play games if you like. But I have to tell you, you know it's a good souvenir shop when, even as a local, you want to purchase all the stuff in there. There are the cutest themed animal like emus, koalas, kangaroos, all that sort of stuff in there. There's some lovely candles, all the typical stuff that you find in there. I really want one of those Akubra hats. We'll get that one day, but we did purchase the boomerang and I can't wait to use it. I'm not sure if we'll be able to use it inside the park again, but we might film it a little bit later and show you what it's like. It's going to be fun.
Oh, there she is. Oh, battery's going flat. Look at the effort she's making to come out here for you guys. Oh, crutches. Yeah, too funny.
Hi!
Pinnacles come in many shapes and sizes. Some are really small and some are really big.